Hi guys, today I'm going to show with you how you can use the Sora AI. First guys, you need to search on Google Sora. You need to open the first website that Sora by OpenAI. So once you open the website, you need to scroll down, and this is new AI video generator that you can use. You need to give and it will generate video for you. And so how you can use that is so currently can use that is if you scroll website, no option to use the website. Currently the team is looking into this tool, and this is new tool, and a few days will be available. But if you are here, you can see that Sora is becoming available to read the timers and to assist critical area for harm or risk. So once they complete with this available personal use the public. So this process, I hope guys this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon.